Hello everyone. Good morning, good evening. How are you? Please confirm my audio audible, screen visible. All good. Thank you so much for your confirmation. Just wait a couple of minutes, then we'll start the session. Any questions from last class, guys? If you have any questions from the last class, which was the day 3, please ask. Any question from the last class, please ask. Or everything good? All good? Please ask if you have any question, otherwise we will move forward. Hello guys, please confirm your availability on the chat window. Please ping hi, hello. Shall we start? Shall we start or not? Shall we start? Please ping on the chat window, start, not start. Okay. Okay. So, in last class, we have learned literals and data types. Data types, what we learned, that was before equal to, and the literals area was after equal to. Okay. So this was the two things we learned. Now, this is before equal to or after equal to. All together is to say that how to declare the variable. So now we have fair understanding on the variable declaration. Okay. But still we have a question, sir. We know how to declare the variable. We understood the literal. We also understood the data type. But what is the use of that? Means after declaring the variable, what is the use of that? That we need to learn. In order to learn that topic, we have something called operators. What we have? Something called operators. So the agenda of today's class is operators, typecasting. If time permits, then we will take the array. Okay. So this is our agenda for the today session, today live session, which will go for the 2 hours. So now, basically we are starting with operators. What is operators? Any idea, guys, what is the operators? Any idea what is operators? So what is operators? Assume that I will say 3 plus 3 equal to 6. Answer is correct only. I will say that 3 plus 2 equal to 5. That is also correct. Yes or no? Yes. Whereas if I will say 1 plus 1 equal to 1. Correct or not correct? Correct or wrong? This is wrong. How we are able to identify this is correct or this is wrong? Because from childhood only we know that 3 plus 3 equal to 6. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Yes or no? So these are all operations we already know from childhood, we learn, and that is set up in our mind in such a way that we can identify easily. Same way, any of the programming language also has to understand these types of concept. Okay, that is reason this is called as a operators. So that concept in one second guys, so that concept for any of the programming language is called as a operators. Okay, so basically that is the thing we are going to learn. Okay, there are so many types of operator. So now coming to the our PPT. In order to understand the operator, we will be understanding these are all things. In what is the increment operator, what is the decrement operator, difference between B++ and B+1, what is the concatenation operator, relational, equality, bitwise, comparison, boolean, short circuit. So these are all possible types of operators supported by Java that we are going to learn. Clear guys? And this is the very important concept. Without that you cannot move ahead. Okay, now basically you can understand our coding starts from here. Okay, till now whatever we learned that was also important, but that is just we are understanding basic things. Okay, from here we will slowly moving towards advanced area. Clear guys? So first of all, what is the increment operator and what is the decrement operator? In order to understand that, we will be writing a code. Okay, so I have IntelliJ open, which is basically I have created for the literals. Okay, now I want to create a project called operators. Okay, so I'm closing this one and creating new project. operators okay, Java selected 8, Java IntelliJ all good, clicking on create, done. So my project is slowly getting created. We will be writing all those code in different project, name is operators. Okay, operators. The first operator, let me create. After creating the project, what we do usually, please ping on the chat window. After creating the project, what is the next thing we used to do? We used to create a package. Why we used to create a package? Just to settle our code. Yes or no? com.apipothi dot increment, increment, operators, increment operators. Okay, now right click, new Java class, increments, increments, operators, operators. Example 1. Fine. Tick, 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 tick. So here today IntelliJ is fast. We always have to blame others. Okay. Yesterday IntelliJ was slow, or my system was slow. I was no idea, but still I was keep telling that IntelliJ is slow. IntelliJ was not slow. My system was slow because of various application was running in background. But we are human being. We know how to put our failure on others. Yes or no? But today it is working good. So let me create the skeleton of the project. System dot Mr. out dot println. Why I am writing this code? To track our execution. Yes or no? start. I will put my class name here so that I can understand this code is from this class. So this is basically our log kinds of things for tracking purpose. So this is the start, here is the end. All good? Done. Operators are tool which operates all the important tool. Very good. Super intelligent. Very good. These types of answers, if you get no, you feel that you are still in college. Very good. So it is just out of the context. What is cloud? Cloud, from where we are getting the rain. Exactly the same definition what you are giving. But anyway, we are learning and hence we are learning. That's all. So where we are? So we are trying to understand increment operator. Yes or no? Name itself is telling you increment means increment. Something is getting greater. Okay. But technically, the increment operator is also two types. Okay. Increment operator is also two types. What are those? One is called pre-increment and another one is called post-increment. Sir, at the end both are increment only. What do you mean by pre-increment and the post-increment? It matters. It matters. That's the reason it is divided into the two parts. Yes or no? Yes. We will understand slowly what is the pre-increment and what is the post-increment. Followed with that, we also have the decrement, which is again the two types called pre-decrement and post-decrement. Okay. If we will understand increment area, same concept applies for decrement also. So I will only focusing on the increment area. Decrement area is your homework. Clear, guys? Good. Now, first thing that we are going to learn, what is the pre-increment? Pre-increment. What I am going to do, I am creating one notes here. Tick, so that I can write something. Notes, not the Java. Tell me one thing, guys. Int x equal to 2. If I will print SOP, if I will print A, what is the output I will get? Output I will get as a 2. No question. Now, if I will printing A1, variable name is A1. Now I am printing 2 plus 1. What is the output I will get it? 3. Yes or no? 2 plus 1, 3 only. No rocket science. Now again I am creating another variable called A2. Printing A2. Instead of Mr. plus 1, I am doing plus plus. What is the output I will get it? That is question mark. Okay. Tell me, guys, what is the output you will get it? Tell me what is the output you will get it. Now I am putting this on question mark. Now will come here again. Okay, will come at that point again, this point again. So technically what I am trying to do, int a equal to 2, okay, and then system dot out dot println. I am just copying this code, putting it here, and putting in better way, value of a, comma a. I will get out again Mr. Python. Comma is in Python and I am always get confused. Now, if I run this code, I will get output as a 2. First time it will take time to execute your code because it is generating out folder for you. It is okay, all good. So technically, I am just coming back. We are understanding the pre-increment. What we are understanding? Only pre-increment. We are in increment, but still in pre-increment, we are only understanding the pre-increment. What we are understanding? Pre-increment. Now, same code I am copy paste here. Okay, changing the variable to a1, a1, a1. Now I am saying plus 1. I will get output as a 3. No need to run. Here we got the output as a what? 2. No need to run. So far we are good. But now I am creating another variable called a2. Here also a2. And a2 equal to I am putting as a 2. Okay. And then what I am doing? What to do? Let me think what to do. So we are learning what? Pre-increment. I need to write it here, otherwise I will get confused. Pre-increment. So pre-increment. Increment means increase the value. Pre means first you increase the value, then talk. Understand this word very clearly. Increment means increase the value. Pre means first you increase. First you increment, then talk. Now what I'm doing? How to teach you? So I'm putting plus a2. Okay, I'm putting plus a2. Now tell me guys, what do you think output will be? Tell me, what do you think output will be? I want to see the screen. I wrote here a2 equal to 2. Okay, then I am putting plus a2 and I am printing the a2. What do you think output will be? Tell me, do you think it is 3 or 2? 3 or 2? What do you think output will be? Write whatever you think. There is no right, no wrong. You just type whatever you think. Either 3 or 2. Tell me guys. Type either 3 or 2 on the chat window. Doesn't matter your answer is right or wrong. Answer is answer only, that's all. No response. Let me run this code for you. So take. So here, what is the output you are getting? This one. Output you are getting as a 3. output you are getting as a 3. Now you understood why you are getting 3. As I already said that, first you increase yourself, then print it. Value was what? Earlier what was the value? Tick, 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 tick. Sorry. One second, guys. So somehow this thing is not working. It should work actually. Hold on. Otherwise, I will type it. Wait. So what basically I wrote it int a2 equal to 2. Okay. Plus a2. Okay. And then I am doing system.out.println of a2, and I am getting output as a 3. So how this flow will work? Please understand this flow. This is important one. Okay. So if I will, with English, if I will tell you what is the meaning of this one, plus a2 means pre-increment, pre, increment. This is the pre-increment. Pre-increment means first you increase yourself, then you talk to me. That is the simple English. So value was what? Initial value was 2. Initial value was 2. When cursor came here, what happened? Plus means second iteration, what happened? Value is plus 2, which means it becomes 3. Then I am printing here. So this value get assigned here and we are getting output as a 3. Clear? Clear or not clear? So this was the flow. Now I want to give you the little bit confusion here. So now I'm creating lab number 2. Okay. And just updating the logs, and I'm removing this code. Okay. So pre-increment means first you increment, then talk to me. Now assume that I am putting variable 3, a3, and I am printing a3. I am putting here 20. What do you think output will be? Tell me, what do you think output will be? Here the value is 20. As per the rule, what I said, first iteration or initial value will be 20. Then I am saying plus a3 means first you increase yourself, then 20 plus 20. Plus 20 means 21. Now before printing the value will be what? 21. Yes or no? Now I am running this code. You see value is 21. Concept remains same, guys. Clear or not clear? Please ping on the chat window, because now you are going to do the mistakes. Next problem you will be not be giving the answer to me. I know. So prior to that you ask your question here only. Clear or not clear? If clear, then ready to give the answers of the next question. Please ping on the chat window. Clear or not clear? Clear. Thank you. You are so intelligent. Now, lab number 3. Lab number 3, I want to Oh my god. See details and submit report. What was the detail? Mr. Quarkus. This guy is always throwing me the error. This is the guy which is actually slowing down my IntelliJ. But why? Quarkus itself is very fast. Now, where I was, okay, I want to do a mistakes. Coming to the our notes section, I told you right here. So I will doing little bit, changes here now. Now, int a2 equal to plus plus 2. Clear or not clear? Clear. Now I am printing the a2. Simple. Tell me the output. If you understood previous example, you should be able to give me the answer here correctly. Tell me the answers. Initial value of a2 is plus plus 2 only. And I am printing the a2. Give me the answer. Yes, no, maybe. Please provide me the answer. Answer will be either 2 or 3 or error. I am giving you the hint. Either 2 or 3 or error. Tell me what could be the answer. Possible, there are 3 possible answers. 2, 3 and error. What do you think? Tell me. No response. So, what actually I was trying is a3 equal to 20 and I am putting plus plus. Okay. I am removing this one. And I am printing the a3. Yes or no? Now you got the error. Do you see here error red color? Red color means you are getting the error. What is the error? That we are not interested to know now. Only we are interested is 3. Very good. You are super intelligent. It is error. Now it is error. What is the error? That we are not interested to know now. Rather than we are thinking why we are getting the error. Yes or no? So the concept here is again. Concept here is very simple. Little bit modification on my explanation. I say int a equal to 10. Assume that. Then what I did? Plus plus a. Yes or no? Then what I did? System.out.println a. What is the output? I got 11. Happy. No problem here. But when we will talk about this area is the confusion area. What happened here? One thing is very true, that this operation is called PRE, pre-increment. INCREMENT. This is the pre-increment. No confusion here. But what is happening behind the scene is plus plus 10. It is happening, okay? Plus plus 10. But this A is getting replaced by 10. What is happening? This A is getting replaced by 10. Before replacement, just think before replacement. If I will ask you what is A? If I will ask you what is A? What is A? You should say that A is variable. A is what? Variable name only. No question, no confusion. Now, technically what I am doing here, then if I will interpret the same line again, what I will say? Plus plus variable. Same line I am rewriting here. Both are same only. Yes or no? A is the name of the variable. Instead I write variable. Now if I will understand this line, this one, this line alone, what it means? Pre-increment of what? Pre-increment of what? variable, pre-increment of variable. So far so good. Now your question is that, sir, till now we are good, I understood, but still if I am writing my code something like that, why I am getting the error? With the same concept, if I will try to write this one, what will happen? Plus plus means what? Pre-increment. P-R-E, pre, I-N-C-R-E-M-E-N-T. Plus plus means what? Pre-increment. Now questions come again. What is the 10? What is the 10? Can you tell me what is the 10? What is the 10? So 10 is actually not your variable. Do you think 10 is variable? No, 10 is not the variable. 10 is actually here constant. Constant. Since 10 is constant, so what I am saying? Pre-increment constant. Here what was I was saying earlier? Pre-increment of variable. Pre-increment of variable. What I am saying here? Pre-increment of constant. So as per the rule, you cannot increase the constant. Constant means English. Constant means constant only. You cannot change the value. A-E-I-O-U. Constant means constant only. You can't change. Variable have the behavior of changing. So I cannot change the constant as per rule. But here what I am doing, here I am, where is my cursor? Oi. One second. So here what I am trying to do, I am trying to change the constant, which is the wrong. Here I am trying to change the variable, which is right. So that is the reason you are getting error here, because you are trying to change the constant value. 20 is what? Constant. That is the reason you are getting the error. Clear or not clear, guys? Tell me, clear or not clear? Now you are clear or not clear? Please respond me back on chat window. Yes, no, maybe. Because based on this concept only, you have very important things to learn. Sir, please respond. Yes, no, maybe. Now coming to the another confusion. Confusion number 4. Means lab number 4. This you have to give me the again correct answers. Now, what I am doing is A equal to 20. All good? No problem. What I am doing here, I am creating another variable called A4. Okay, A4 equal to plus plus A3. I can do that. I can do that or not. A3 is what? Variable. I can increment the variable. Fine, no problem. Error I am getting A4 because I need to initialize the value. I mean declare the value. So I have created one variable called A4 of integer type, which is actually receiving the pre-incremented value from A3. Please understand this one. This one. A4 is the int type variable, which is receiving the value from whom? From A3. A4 is the int type variable which is receiving the value, which is receiving the pre incremented. pre-incremented value from A3. Please understand this English very carefully. So A4 is the integer type variable which I have declared. What it is holding? It is holding the value of pre-incremented value of A3. Okay. Now what I am doing here is I am printing Mr. A3 as well as A4 also. Yes or no? Now I am printing 2. I have 2 variable, I can print it. So this is the A3 which I am printing it here. This is the A4 which I am printing it here. Now tell me guys, what do you think output will be? Please ping on the chat window. What do you think output will be? Tell me anything. No problem. You are free to write a wrong answers. But after explaining, you should not give me the wrong answer. Tell me what is the output of A3 and A4 if I will execute this program. Tell me guys, yes, no, maybe. No one is responding. Now let me run the code for you. Tick. Output you got as a 21. 21. Do you think I have to explain you this one again? But yes, I will explain because you will do mistakes in next another 5 to 10 minutes. But still I am explaining to 21. I know you understood very well. So, Mr. Tick. So what was the question is? Okay, I got it. 1 second guys, hold on. Here it's software area, so come on. Hold on. Why this device is not running, sir? Hold on guys. Everything is opening back to back. Pen is not working anyway. I know why it is not working. I will fix later. So what I was explaining to you earlier, I forgot. So here it is. Come on. It's not my mistakes only. Just hold on guys, somehow pen is not working. Okay, I will write it here only. A304 and then is working. Okay, sorry guys. So I am just trying to explain you this code. So what is happening is A3 equal to 20. All good, no problem. A3 equal to 20, no problem. We have to focus on this line only. This line number 14. What this line does. Okay. So what is happening here is A4 equal to plus A3. Clear? Plus A3. Now A4 equal to what is happening? Plus of what? A3 got replaced with what? 20. Plus 20 means 21. I'm just explaining you. In practical, plus 20 is not possible because 20 is the constant. You cannot change the value of constant. But I'm just trying to recompile the code. So now what is the value of A4? A4 equal to 21. Clear? A4 equal to 21. So if I am printing A4 here, I am getting 21. A3, no question. A3 is automatically from here only. If you see, it is a 21 only. So I am printing here 21. Clear? So this was the dry run which I have explained you, I think, correctly. Somehow my... Okay. Now what I want to teach you here is, let me think, is there any concept I missed? So this was what? Okay. So this is the pre-increment is clear, guys. Tell me any doubt here on the pre-increment? All clear? There is a one quiz I want to do here. If it is everything is clear, you have to give me the answers of this one. Now quiz is int x equal to 4. Int x equal to 4. Int y equal to plus x. And then what I am doing, system.out.println of x and system.out.println of y. Tell me what is the output you are getting. Tell me the output of for line number 15 and line number 16. If you understood previous example, you should be able to give me the answer correctly or else wrong. Tell me the answer of line number 15 and line number 16. So when you will compile this code, you will get output as a what? Error. Output as a error. Surprised or not? Surprised. I will tell you why. So all problem in this line only. All this problem in this line only. I am just trying to rewrite this line. So what I am happening, int y equal to plus x. Operation starts from bracket. So what is basically happening? Plus of 4. Okay. Please remember, I am just explaining you. Plus of 4 is not possible. 4 is constant. So technically what is happening here? 5. Yes or no? 5. 5 is what? 5 is constant. Now what is happening? Plus of 5 means plus of constant. Plus of constant. Plus of constant. Technically what you are trying to do? Technically what we are trying to do? Tell me. You are trying to change the value of what? Value of what? Constant. Does it possible? Which is not possible. Hence, you are getting error. Clear or not clear? So if I will write this code in lab number 5, you should be getting the error. Not interested to know what is the error. We are only interested to know we are getting the error. That's all. So Mr. this one. Okay. And I'm printing here X. I'm printing here Y. Here is X. Here is Y. Guys, runtime error. I understand runtime error. Tell me the reason. You are not in college now. Tell me the reason. Why you got the error? Runtime error is fine. It is not runtime error. If you see, if you are very specific to the runtime error, it is compile time error. Do you see? Did I run this code? No. Still you are saying the error. This is compile time error, not even runtime. But if you will execute this code, tick, you will getting the error. Something found this, required this, which is fine. Let it be. Simple thing. It is saying that required variable I found value. Value is nothing but constant. So plus x is nothing but constant. I am trying to increment the constant, which is the illegal. That's the reason you are getting the error. As simple as it is. Clear, guys? So I am putting the comment this one. Okay. Now looks like you are happy with me in order to understand the pre-increment variable. Very good. Clear. Now I got to know that pre-increment is clear. Please respond me back on the chat window if pre-increment is clear or not. Post-increment we are yet to discuss. Please confirm on the chat window pre-increment is clear or not clear. Putting my charger meanwhile. Clear, not clear? Please ping me on the chat window that pre-increment is clear or not. No response. Clear. Very good. Now we are moving towards post increment in lab number 6. So post increment, post increment. Okay, post increment. Tick. What I want to teach you? Post increment. I also don't know what is post increment. Let me think. What is the post increment? Pre-increment means first you increase yourself, then talk to me. Post increment means what? Just reverse of that. First you talk to me, then increment yourself. Clear or not? Post increment means first you talk to me, then increment yourself. Pre-increment means first you increment yourself, then talk to me. Simple English. So post increment meaning first you talk to me, then you increment self. Please remember this English always. You will not get confused. Y-O-U-R, yourself, S-E-L-F. Please forgive me my typo, guys. So this is the English you have to remember. Accordingly, I have to write the code. So now we are only going to play with the only one variable, which is Mr. X. So initial value of X is what? 4. What I am trying to do? We are trying to write a code which will state that this is the post increment. Post increment. X plus plus is the post increment. Yes or no? Now tell me, guys, if I will run this code, what is the output? If you will give me the correct output, then I will understand that you understood this English correctly. If I will execute this code, what will be the output? Please ping me on the chat window. 453. Tell me. 453. 453. Tell me the output, guys. Actually, audio is not sync, looks like. Guys, please focus. What I said, x equal to 4. This is fine. No problem at all. X equal to 4, no problem at all. All confusion is line number 7. I am saying x plus plus. X plus plus. First you talk to me, then increment yourself. As per my English, what I wrote is, so this will give you the output as a Mr. 5. Yes or no? Sir, this is wrong. If Mr. X plus plus is giving you output as a what? 5. Then plus plus x, if I will run this code, this guy will also give you the same output. Yes or no? You see? Same output. You are getting same output or not? Then what is the difference here? Confused or not confused? Confused or not? For now, I am not trying to confuse you, where answer is 5. I will do little bit more twist in next example. Let me run this code. Answer is 5. Now what I am doing is, I am creating lab number 7. Now here little bit twist I am doing. So I am getting int a equal to x plus plus, and then I am printing the value of a. Now tell me what is the value of a and what is the value of x. Please ping on the chat window. See, x equal to 5 is 100%. Then what is the value of a? See, x equal to 5, we ran in last program, it was 5. Confusion on only a. What is the value of a? Now tell me what is the value of a. Line number 9. Please ping me on the chat window. Line number 9. Please ping me on the chat window. Line number 9. Please ping me on the chat window. Line number 9. What is the output? A equal to 4. Very good. Now let me run this code. A equal to 4. Do you see? Now I will explain you my English again. A equal to 4. What I was saying here, first talk to me means what I am doing x plus plus. What I am doing x plus plus. X plus plus is incrementing the value of x. So before increment only, Mr. X provided the value to A and Mr. A is printing the 4. Okay? And when I was printing the x, that time x value got increased. Got it? So A value was before increment. It is talking to A before increment. So that is the reason you are getting 4. If I will explain you more, you will get confused. So now you are clear, right? Why you are getting 4? Very good. So this is the, I will do little bit more example on pre and post. Lab number 8. What we are learning? Post increment. Okay. Now twist what I am doing here is, we understood this is 5, this is the 4. I want to create some confusion here. Just I will copy this one and I will put it here. So otherwise you will find out. Now what I want to do, if I will run this code, what is the output? Tell me guys. If I will run this code, what is the output? Now tell me. If I will run this code, what is the output? You will get it. This is the important one, guys. Same code I am doing here, copy paste. Now what will happen is, you will get the error. Why you are getting the error? X plus plus. Just forget, plus plus is not happening now. Now what is happening? Only X value I am getting, which is the 4. Which is the 4. 4 plus plus is 5. Plus 4 plus plus is 5. Now what I am doing? Plus plus 5 means I am trying to increment the value of constant, which is the rule of violation. Hence Mr. Java is throwing you the error. Got it? Clear or not clear? Clear. So this is your all about the pre-increment and post-increment. Please let me know on the chat window if you have any doubt understanding the pre-increment and post-increment. All good, guys? Since you are good, which means that you understood the decrement area also. Concept remains same. Instead of increasing the value, concept will be decreasing the value. That's all. Clear? Clear or not clear? Since you are good with that, so there is a very important concept here. You should be able to give me the answer now. What is the difference between, if I will say difference between B plus plus and B plus 1, then what you will say? Just think in different way. B plus plus, what it is doing? It is incrementing your value by 1. Yes or no? Yes. B plus 1, what it is doing? It is also incrementing your value by 1. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, if both the syntax or both the code, if it is incrementing the value by 1, then where is the differences? Question is valid or not? Tell me. Valid. Valid. Question is valid. For that, I need to write a code. Without code, you will not understand. Simple things. If you know answers, please ping me on the chat window. Please ping me on the chat window if you know the answers. Let me, what I'm saying. So Swati Rani is saying value of B itself will be changed in B++ but not in B+1. What you said? Value of B itself will be changed in B++. Okay. But not in B+1. I don't know what I understood. But anyway, I did not understand anything. I forgot what I want to teach you. Difference between B++ and B+1. Sometimes these types of answer will distract you from your main agenda. Very good. At least you given some answers. Into A equal to 10. Okay. Now B++. Tick 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 tick. Okay. Now what I have to write? I will write here value of A++. A++. Okay, all good. Now value of A+1. A+1. Now I am running this code. You will get output as a 11. As simple as it is. Oi. Why 111? Oh, I got it. I got it. I got it. It is doing concatenation operator. Okay. Don't worry. If this will not work, then I will take another way to explain you. But I want output as a see something wrong. 10 12. Oh, okay. I got it. Now I got it. What is happening? So, how to teach you? I will tell you why you are getting value answer as a 10 and 12. This shall I explain you now or later? I will explain you later. But now challenges for me is that how to explain you. The way int x equal to 10. Okay. And then what I am doing x plus 1. This way I can explain you. A plus plus x plus 1. Or that then I am going correct only. 11 should come. That is my goal. Very good. Hold on guys, hold on. Something I am doing wrong. What wrong? Actually, not wrong, but I want to establish a example in such a way that you will get it. So technically, I will tell you what I am trying to tell you. Please focus here. The code is not I am getting exactly. Focus here. So the B++ means, what is the meaning of B++? B++ means it is increasing your value by 1. No problem here. Okay. Whereas B+1 is also increasing your value by 1. Here also no problem. Then where is the problem? Problem here is this 1 is integer. What is this one? This 1 is integer. Sir, what do you mean by this 1 is integer? If I will write byte a equal to 10, if I will write, just remove that. If I will write byte a equal to 10, okay, then a plus plus, then a plus plus, and I am printing the value a plus plus. Oh shit, I am printing the value of a. What is the output? I will get it. What is the output? I will get it 11. Okay, yes or no? I got the output as 11. Clear? Now you will see the differences here. Now I got to know how to explain you. Byte a equal to 10, a plus plus, printing the a, I got the 11. No problem, all good. But I want to do same thing here. I am changing the variable to a1, a1, a1. Okay. Now if I will run this code, what is the output? I will get it 11 only. Yes or no? 11 only. Hold on. 11 only. Now line number 13. Please focus on line number 13. Please focus on line number 13. Here is the twist. What I was trying to explain you, difference between B++ and B+1. B++ I have explained you, you also understood that. Instead of A++, what I am doing, A plus 1. Clear or not clear? Now you are getting the error. Why you are getting the error? Error is saying that Mr. A1 is of which type? Mr. A1 is of which type? Byte type. 1 is what? Integer. So what you are trying to do? Byte plus integer. Does it happen? 1 mango? What? 1 potato plus 1 mango. Will you say 2 potato mango? Will you say like that? No. 1 potato plus 1 mango equal to 1 potato, 1 mango. No 2 potato, 2 mango. Got it? So you cannot add, you cannot perform the operation between two different data type. That is the reason you are getting the error. Now if I will run this code, you will see the error here. Not a statement. Okay. If I will hover my mouse here, you see, it will ask you include local variable. It is asking do something. Okay. It is, you see, it is asking to declare variable type as an integer, because integer is bigger than byte, which I don't want now. Okay, I want to deal with like that. So this is the problem. You got to know the differences. A plus B plus plus means fine. B plus plus 1 means not fine. So in the case of byte, you are seeing the differences. Clear or not clear? But same thing if I will do for the integer type, you will not see the error. Same code, I am just changing the data type. So instead of byte, I am putting the int. Here I am putting the int. I will give you the answer, concrete answer. Hold on. Int. Okay. Tick, 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 tick. Tick, 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 tick. Tick, 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 tick. See, int, this is the type of integer. Int a equal to 10, a plus plus 11. Here no problem. Now I am coming to the here. Here what is happening? A1 is which type? A1 is which type? Integer type. 1 is what? Integer. 1 is what? Integer. Integer plus integer, add applicable. Here it is giving you error. If you add it here, you will find, because it is asking me to declare the variable. It is asking me to declare the variable. Okay. Now I am putting here A2. I am printing here A2. And I am printing here A1 also. A1, A2. Now here no one, both are giving you the same output. Value is 11. Here also you will get the 11 only. Now I am reiterating my answer. I am reiterating my answer that in the case of integer, there is no differences between b plus plus and b plus 1. Whereas in the case of other data types, excepting integer, difference will come, because here 1 is acting as a integer, not any data type. 1 is acting as an integer. Integer plus integer, okay. Byte plus integer, not okay. Long plus integer, not okay. Got it? So this is the difference between b plus plus and b plus 1. Clear or not clear, guys? Please respond me back on the chat window. Now you got it. This is the important concept people will ask you in interview. Please tell me clear or not. In the case of integer, both making same sense. In the case of other data type, both make different sense. Clear or not clear? Please tell me on the chat window. Please ping me on the chat window. No response. Getting or not getting? Sir and madam, please respond me back on the chat window. This is clear or not? This is the important one. Okay. Very good. Now coming to the another data type, which is called concatenation operator. This is the increment, right? Now I'm creating another package called concatenation. 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 Right click, new Java class. Concatenation. Example 1. Tick. Having the main method. Start. B plus plus and B plus 1 is clear or not? Sometimes you should have the correct example to explain the concept. If it is coming at right time, you are good. If it is not coming, you are not good. That's the reason I did it. Now concatenation operator. Now this is the interesting one, guys. What is the concatenation operator? Now tell me your name on the chat window. Assume that this Mr. concatenation operator is applicable on where? String concatenation operator. What was? String concatenation operator. So I am declaring one data type string. Okay. FIRST, first name equal to, tell me some first name. Tell me some first name. API. Okay. This is the first name. String last name equal to Pothi. Okay. Our expectation here is if someone is printing first name and last name, our expectation here is to print the API space POTHI. Clear or not clear? This is our expectation. Okay. To fulfill this expectation, we have something called, which is concatenation operator. So I am printing the here name equal to first name plus last name. What I am printing? First name plus last name. What is the output, do you think? What is the output, do you think you will get it? Tell me on the chat window, guys. What do you think output you will get it? Please, please, please. The output you will get it as this one. APIPOTHI. Yes or no? If I will run this code, you will get APIPOTHI as a output. Yes or no? Say yes or no. But did we meet our expectation? Did we meet our expectation? No. Why no? Because our expectation was there should be a space between API and Pothi. Do you see any space here? No. Which means that we did not meet the expectation. To meet the expectation, what do you think here it is there space? So we need to add the blank space like that. First word, first string plus is the concatenation with the space. Then I am concatenating with the last name. So output now, if I will run, you will have the output as a API space Pothi. Tick. You see here. You see APIPOTHI. Concatenation means altogether, string concatenation means to concatenate the two string or join the two string. Join, we don't say join. As soon as you are saying English, join is fine, but join is the keyword in Java, which will be in thread. So just say concatenate, attach the two string. Clear or not clear? Concatenation is clear or not clear? Concatenation is clear or not clear? Since you are saying clear, so please tell me the answers of this one. First name equal to 2. Second name equal to 3. Okay. If I am executing this code, what do you think the output will be? Line number 11. If I am executing line number 11, what do you think output will be? Please ping me on the chat window. Please ping me on the chat window. First name equal to 2 within a double quote. Last name equal to 3 within a double quote. Both are string data type. Now I am concatenating here. What do you think output will be? Please ping me on the chat window. 2 plus 3? What? 2 plus 3 what? 2 plus 3? Output will be 23. If I will run this code, output will be 23. Hold on. Do you see 23? Sir, how it will be 23? 2 plus 3 equal to 5? No. Sir, this Mr. Plus is here in the terms of string, it is concatenating. So this plus, if both are integer, then it would have given you output as a 5. Whereas the first name or last name, which is the two variable of the string type, the same plus operator is acting as a concatenation operator, which means it is adding the two string. That's all. Clear? Clear or not clear? 2 plus 3, why 23? So these two it is considering as a just string. This 3 it is considering as a string. So 2 plus 3 is 23. If I will write in this case like int a equal to 2, int b equal to 3, and if I will write print a plus b, output will be 5 here, because here it is acting as a addition. There when this in the terms of string it was acting as a what? Concatenation. Clear or not clear now? This is the string, that's the reason it was doing. Tell me clear or not clear? Clear. Okay, very good. You are so intelligent. Now tell me one more. Twenty point five plus 0.5. What do you think output will be? Please tell me on the chat window. 20.5 plus 0.5. I am doing the concatenation of first name and last name. Just for not first name, I am writing here A, I am writing here A, here I am writing B, here I am writing A. Now tell me, what do you think output will be? Tell me output. Output will be this one. 20.5, 50.5. Actually, it is not adding, it is concatenating. That's all is the idea. So now you are good with the concatenation operator, I am hoping. Coming to the another operator called relational operators. Relational operators. What is the relational operators? Now I'm creating another package called relationals, relationals. New Java class, relationals, example 1. I think it's fine. relational example 1. Hi, I'm there. Tick, tick, tick. Good. So now we are good to code for the relational operator. What is the relational operator? Okay. So relational operator means it is establishing the relation between something. So we have data something like, right, you know, A is greater than B. Mr. A age is greater than Mr. B. Valid scenario. Age of Mr. A is less than age of Mr. B. Valid scenario. A is greater than or equal to B. Valid scenario. A is less than or equal to B. Valid scenario. Yes or no? So these are all kinds of comparison we are doing with the help of relational operator. Okay. So now coming to in this area of relational operator here. Now I'm putting here int a equal to 10, int b equal to 20. Okay. Our expectation here is what is our expectation? Print. The first what we are learning is greater than. So I am saying here A is greater than B. I am printing it here, okay? A is greater than B. I have to remove this one, otherwise it will concatenate because this is the string, okay? Now, interesting thing here is output for all those concatenation, output for all those relational operator will be Boolean only. And what is the possible output for the Boolean? Either true or false. Yes or no? Either true or false. So if what I am saying here, A is greater than B. A is greater than B means what technically I am saying? 10 is greater than 20. 10 is greater than 20. Yes or no? No. No means what? No means what? False. So Mr. This line will give you output as a false. Do you see here? False. Same way, if I will write here A is less than B. A is less than B means 10 is less than 20. 10 is less than 20 means what? Yes. Yes means what? True. Clear? If I will run this code, you will get output as a true. So technically what I am trying to say, the possible output for all the relational operator is Boolean only, either true or false. So first we got to know the greater than. First what we got to know? The greater than relational operator. Second, we also got to know the less than, which is this one, less than relational operator. So we are done with the two relational operator. Which one is? First one is the greater, second one is the less. Third one is what? Greater than or equal to. This you need to understand. If I am saying greater than equal to means in English, what does it mean? It means that greater than or equal equal to. Got it, guys? Greater than or equal to. either it is greater than or either it is equal to. This is very important to understand. I will tell you why. So the output, what I am trying to say, A is greater than or equal to B. Now what I will ask here, there is two things I am telling in one go. First I am telling A is greater than B or not, means 10 is greater than 20. This is the first thing. Second thing I am saying is 10 is equal to 20 or not. Both I am writing into the single line. So if anyone is giving you the true, output is true only. That's all. 10 is greater than 20. Tell me, 10 is greater than 20? No, false. 10 is equal to 20? No, false. Both are giving you false, false only. So output will be false. Simple. If I will run this code, you will get output as a false. 1. You see, false. I will write more code for that so that you will get it. Example number 4. Now I am writing A equal to 10, B equal to 10. Okay, A equal to 10, B equal to 10. So the same thing, what I am trying to say, A is greater than 10, first statement. Second equal to A, 10 equal to 10. A is greater than 10, 10 is greater than 10. Tell me, 10 is greater than 10, yes or no? No. No means false. 10 is equal to 10, yes, true. What is the output? True only. If anyone is getting pass, either this one or this one, then I will take output as a true only. If both are getting fail, then I will take output as a false only. So if I will run this code, you will get output as a true, because at least one condition is getting passed. Clear? Little bit more. Lab number 5. Now here I am putting 30. So what I am doing, 30 is greater than 10. 30 is greater than 10 or not? And then here what I am doing, 30 is equal to 10 or not? So 30 is greater than 10 means true. 30 equal to 10 is what? False. What I will take output? Output I will take as a true only. 30 is greater than 10, which is true. So output will be true. Clear or not clear? So this is your this one. Now less than equal to, we got to, okay, less than equal to. This was the greater than equal to. Now we are going to learn the less than equal to. Tick, 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 tick. Less than. So less than or equal to. Okay, less than or equal to. Now we'll understand this one. A is less than or equal to B. So this is divided into the two parts. A is less than B. A value is what? 30 is less than 10 and 30 is equal to 10. Both are false. Since both are false, so we will take output as a false. Clear or not clear? Come on. So now it is running. False. Little bit more twist here. Now I want to change some value. A is less than. A is less than. I am putting here 50. So 30 is less than 50. Condition true. 30 is equal to 50, condition false. So this condition is true. 30 is less than 50, condition true. 30 equal to 50, condition false. So if any one is true, I will take output as a true only. So now your output will be true. Simple. Clear? Now you got to know all those relational operators. Relational operator is clear or not clear, guys? Please let me know on the chat window. Relational operator is clear or not? Please ping on the chat window, clear, not clear. Meanwhile, the next topic that we are going to learn is that equality operator. What we are going to learn? Equality operator. Equality operator. Equality operator means we are establishing a, let me create the package. EQUALITY, equality. Tick, 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 tick. Equality lab 1. Guys, you are happy or not happy? You are getting it or not? No response. Now we are learning the equality operator is this one. Double equal to. Double equal to. Double equal to means, the English if I will say, it will comparing the two things. Comparison. COMPARISION. Comparison. That's the reason we are saying equality. It is establishing a equality operator between two variables. It has some other meaning also when we'll go for the object level, but we are on variable level. That's the reason we are not putting so much effort for this one. So int a equal to 2, int b equal to 2. Okay. What I'm doing here, a equal to b. Now value of a is what? 2. Value of b is what? 2. I am putting a equal to b. Tell me what do you think output will be? Please ping the output on the chat window. Tell me, guys. Please ping me output on the chat window. No response. It is true, no? If I'm asking doesn't mean that I'm asking always confusing question. It is true because both are equals only, 2 and 2. Clear? Just to make this condition as a false, what I'm doing, I'm creating another lab called 2, lab 2. So here I'm putting the 20. 2 equal to 20. True or false? False only. So here you will get output as a false. Simple. Tick, 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 tick. You see? False. This is easy one. No rocket science here. There is another concept which we are going to write in lab 3, which is what? Not equal to. This exclamatory sign, which is in command 1 and Windows Alt 1. Okay, this sign. It is saying that not equal It is saying that not equal. Earlier was equal, this one is not equal. If I am saying A is not equal to B, what is the value of A? 2. What is the value of B? 20. 2 is not equal to 20. Making sense? Yes. Condition true. Condition true. Output is true. You see, hold on. You see, output true. Now, little bit more on this area. I am creating another lab, lab number 4. Here, I am putting here 25. Having the same code, A not equal to B. 25 is not equal to 20. 25 is not equal to 20. Condition true. Condition true. Output true. Output true means we are happy. You see? Little bit more twist here. Little bit more twist. Lab number 5. Now I am putting here 25. Now A does not equal to B. 25 does not equal to 25. Making sense? No. 25 is equal to 25. Making sense? No. No means false. False means false. If I will execute this code, you will get output as a false. Tick, 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 tick. Do you see output as a false? Guys, please ping me on the chat window that equality operator is clear or not. As simple as it is, guys. Equality operator is clear or not? Clear, not clear? Tick, 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 tick. Now, these are all things I am not going to teach you. These are all the 10th level things. 7, 8 or 10 all together school level things, okay? But I have kept it here so that in future you can understand, okay, this is also part of the operators only. Bitwise operators. Bitwise operators is basically you must have, if you are gate, you must have learned the gate, in gate, AND gate, OR gate, NOR gate. These are all things, right? So I have, anyway, I have explained here that you can go through. It is there in PPT. What is the AND gate? What is the OR gate? What is the XOR gate? Okay. As well as bitwise operator, you can also go through that. Boolean component operator, you understood here not, right? This not means Boolean only. This one, your short circuit also, you know the diagram, circuit breaker and all. Not circuit breaker, that is microservice, but short circuit, you know. These are all you must have learned in where? School, I think, not college. Now, if I will explain start the typecasting, it will take another 1 hour for me to explain you the typecasting. Followed with that, we have array also. So I am thinking to explain you this one in next class, which is the next Saturday. Okay. This class is dedicated to looks like operators only. We are only able to complete the operators. So typecast and the array we will see into the next session, which is the next Saturday. Till now, if you have any doubt, please ask. Otherwise, I will wind up the session. As simple as it is. Any doubt, guys? Yes, no, maybe. Any doubt? Or all clear? Happy, not happy? Let me move this code into the Git. Tick, 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 tick. So I should have written one file, git ignore file. We learned so many things, Ayo. Very good. So today was what? Day 4. And I have no idea what is the format I am using. Let me see into the Git. What is the command I'm using? Take. Okay, day 3. So day 4. Day 4 Java Bootcamp. Okay, so I'm putting this code into the Git now. If you follow the Git, you can take it from there. Hold on. So I think your code must have moved. Day 4. You see, day 4. That's all, guys, for today. Thank you so much for attending the session. We will meet in next classes. Thank you. Bye. Take care. Good night.